You don't need another software tutorial. You have probably watched dozens of those. What you are missing is the professional foundations that turns a standard layout into a timeless piece of design. Mastering InDesign is the easy part. The real challenge is understanding how to command space, hierarchy, and visual impact. I am Manuel Pallares. Throughout my career as a lead designer for prestigious firms like Documenta Art Diffusion and Editorial EDAF, I have dedicated myself to the art of visual storytelling, designing covers and layouts for classic literature, history, and art books alike. My job wasn't just to use the software. It was to preserve the soul of the text through design. That is the key of a good designer. I have spent the last year condensing my entire professional career, the technical rigor, the aesthetic choices, and the industry secrets into this editorial master program. This master program is structured into over 100 master classes, designed to take you from a curious user to a junior editorial designer. We don't just teach you where the buttons are. We teach you how to think. You will learn typography, complex grid systems, and the technical precision required for professional printing. But we don't just work on theory. We master the craft through many different exercises during the master program and two major final projects that define your professional ranks. First, you will design a complete edition of The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. You will work with the author's original watercolors, learning how to treat illustration as art and how to balance delicate imagery with the rhythm of the text. Second, we shift gears to create a professional serif magazine. Here, you will master dynamic grids, visual energy, and the art of professional poster design. Because a great poster is simply a cover that lives on a wall, it requires the same mastery of visual narrative that we use in our books. This is a holistic journey. You will learn the exact same workflow I use in the publishing industry, from the initial research and mood boarding on Pinterest to the first sketches that will take shape in InDesign, where we assure that what you see on your screen is exactly what hits the paper in the printing house. We will even study a success case through my design of Marcus Aurelius' Book of Meditations, which has become a bestseller with over 100,000 copies sold and still is on the pole position in the most important bookstores. If you are ready to bridge the gap between amateur layouts and true professional mastery, this is the course you have been waiting for. Join this master editorial program today. Let's stop just designing and start building your career. I will see you inside.